Hi everyone. So in this short video, we're going to look at creating a minimum function from a list, which is designed to pick out the minimum value from that list. And then again, we'll do that for the maximum value in the list. So this Python environment is Jupyter Notebook. So that's what I'll be using for this video. So here is the code. That is the entire code. We're calling it a minimum function, and we're passing in A, which is a list. B, to get started, is the floating value of infinity. And then we just simply do a for loop. So for this in A, if this is less than equal to B, B will be reassigned to this. And then it'll iterate through all the different values in the list A. And then at B, whatever B is at the end of that, it'll print that out. Here, I've used an F string, so it'll say the minimum value in the list is whatever B is at that time, and that should be the minimum value. So now the maximum is going to be very similar. We want to change the name of the function. This here gets multiplied by -1. This here is going to be greater than, and this here is maximum. Okay. Okay. So I have a list here, and if we pass in h, we get the minimum value of the list is -23. And do the same thing for the maximum value. Pass in h, and you get the 676. Now there are minimum and maximum functions built into Python. So if I did min h, you get your -23, and max h, you get 676. So I don't know exactly what the code looks like for those built-in functions in Python. But in this video, I just want to show that some of them can be easily replicated with simple code like we did here for the minimum and maximum functions. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.